Hi, today we are going to discuss about ledgers in SAP S/4HANA system. So what are the additional ledgers we can see in SAP S/4HANA? Uh, so here leading ledger, non-leading ledger and extension ledger. So these are the additional ledgers we can see in S/4HANA. Extension ledger is further divided into simulation ledger and production ledger. So by default, leading ledger is assigned to your company code. So non-leading ledger, if you have any additional gap requirement, so that time we are going to create non-leading ledger and assigning to company code and extension ledger. So this is also having the similar functionality like non-leading ledger. So the major difference between non-leading ledger and extension ledger is so physically data is storing in non-leading ledger, whereas in extension ledger, physically data is not storing in the table. When you post any transaction, so automatically system is going to update data in leading ledger and non-leading ledger and extension ledger if you are assigning these three to your company code. But the physically data is not storing in extension ledger, so because of that, the data storage is increasing. I mean, you can store more data. Okay, so non-leading functionality is same like before in ECC system. So we can use different fiscal year variant and different posting period variant to get separate financial requirement as per the gap. Okay, so extension ledger, it will not store any data physically in the tables until you post extension ledger specific data. If you are posting any transaction with specific to extension ledger, then only the data is storing in AC Docker table with this ledger type. Okay, and even you cannot see that data in BSEC table also. Here we can maintain base ledger for extension ledger as non-leading ledger or leading ledger. Okay, we can maintain different posting period variants in extension ledger, but the fiscal year is same as leading ledger or non-leading ledger, whatever you are assigning as a base. So simulation ledger, this is the another extension ledger type which we are using in SAP S/4HANA system. Simulation ledger is used in foreign currency valuation. Before updating the foreign currency valuation results in the GL account, you can see the result in simulation ledger. So when you are running the foreign currency valuation in simulation ledger, then the data is going to store in these two tables. Okay, so it gives you the complete information of the foreign currency details, unrealized gain or loss details, whatever the exchange rate is there at the time of foreign currency valuation. Once you run the simulation ledger in update run, then the data which is stored in these two tables is going to delete and it is going to have impact in your financials. And the other ledger is predictive ledger. This predictive ledger is used to update statistical sales condition values to the COPA. So when you are using accounting based COPA in S4 HANA, statistical condition value should flow to COPA. So that time we will use predictive ledger. So basically this predictive ledger is going to update in AC Docker table. So at the time of building, along with the accounting document, there is another document which is updating with predictive ledger. So that predictive ledger information you can see in SC Docker table. So these all are the ledgers which we can see in SAP S4HANA system.